Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this 3D printed Iron Man Mark 39 Starboost helmet. It's a mouthful. If you're watching from the fair, thank you very much. But anyways, let's get right into it. The first step to making the helmet is, of course, printing it. So as you can see, I've got it all printed out here. You can see I've got taped together in some spots. The faceplate's just sitting on there. And then right here, it's melted together already, which I'm going to show you guys how to do now. So now for the next step, you're going to want to get your pieces together and lined up. I use tape. I got the soldering iron for like $9 to $10 off Amazon. And you're going to want to line up all the pieces and then basically just melt it together with the soldering iron. So go along the line and just melt together. Should be pretty simple. Make sure that your soldering iron's heated all the way up. I think mine's still a little bit cool. And you're just going to want to go all the way around and melt all the pieces together. Hey guys, so I melted all the bits together and then I sanded it and I just put Bondo on it. Bondo, glazing, and spot putty. I used it in a couple of my other videos if you're curious. And now I'm going to sand it again. Sorry about the dogs in the background. So I'm going to sand down the Bondo. So let's do it. Now that I got the Bondo all sanded down, I'm going to use some 2-in-1 filler and sandable and go over all of it, and it'll basically get rid of the print lines that are all over it. So let's do it. Hey guys, so I did some filler and sandable, as you can see here, all gray. This is actually a bad piece. I had to reprint the faceplate because it was out in the sun for too long and it ended up warping and it melted basically, and it's super flat. But now it's time for paint, so let's get painting. Hey guys, so I got it painted white, as you can see, and I put some tape on it because I'm gonna paint the top gold here, the chin. So let's get painting again. Hey guys, so I've got them outside. As you can see, my helmet and the faceplate, the new one I printed off, primered and everything. So now I'm gonna paint it with this Rust-Oleum metallic gold. So let's get it. So now we've got it all painted gold. So let's take off the tape. Let's see how it turned out. Hey guys, so now that I've got the gold paint done, because the black paint's really small on the side, just on those hexagons, I'm gonna use this. It's a paint marker that I got, and I'm just going to open it up and go over that a few times to make sure it's all black. So let's do it now. So now that while I wait for that paint to dry, I'm going to take my faceplate. As you can see, I've got here, I'm going to use these, which are little Hobart face shields. If you want to know more about these, I'd recommend going back to my Commander Bly or my Mandalorian helmet video to learn more about these. But then I'm just going to put them in the eye like that and just cover them up temporarily until I get real lights. So let's do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got the full helmet finished, as you can see. I think the black side, the black hexagons, turned out really nice. And if you wanted a more 360 view of it, there you go. I think that all of it turned out really nice. I really like the gold paint on the top and the black on the sides. I think it just turned out very well overall. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.